guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. So today in this video we're doing a hair review on Jessica hair, and I just am getting dressed, so I said y'all can just get dressed with me. So we're going to do a hair review on Jessica hair. The hair came in this box. It also came in a plastic bag, which I told y'all before in my other hair review. It's always beneficial when they provide you a bag to store your hair in. It keeps your hair fresh and a good place to store your hair instead of throwing it in the drawer. If you're like me, have a hair drawer, just throwing it in there. So I think, like I said, it's always beneficial to have a bag to store it in, because you never know what could happen in them hair drawers when you just throwing stuff in there. So that is good. It also came with a hair net, and I guess it's just to hold your hair in place while it's under the wig, which is really good. So that's how the hair comes. I ended up ordering the 8-inch curly unit, and this is 150 density. I did bleach my knots and pluck it off camera, so this is how it's looking before we install it. Hair feels so, it feels so soft, y'all. I love that. So the products I'm going to be using today, I have in a water bottle. When I do with curly hair, I have water and conditioner, and the conditioner I'm using here is the Aussie Curly Co-Wash. So it is mixed in here with water. So I have that, so when I put my hair on, I can spray it to help bring my curls back to life. And you know, I'm doing a glueless method, so I'll be going in with my Gots to Be's Freeze Spray and my Gots to Be Styling Gel. And we're going to go ahead and get started. But also, guys, I want to mention I'm going to be going in with my Sassy Doll Bitch Where's My Edges. And I'm going to moisturize my hair, because if you're a wig lover, did I say wig lover? If you're a wig lover like myself, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your hair under the wig. So this product is beneficial because it helps stimulate and promote hair growth. So I'm going to be using that to oil my hair, moisturize it before I put my wig on. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to let y'all watch me style my hair as we do the full hair review. Like that, show the action. I just applied the full concoction to my hair. So I like to start with the middle and then work my way around. In this wig, it does come with clips. You have one in the bottom and 3 inside. You have 2 on the sides and 1 in the end where the closure ends, the 13 by 6 area. So you do have clips in here. Because I have my hair out, I'm not really concerned about the clips. If I would have had a cap on, I would have been concerned, just because sometimes it can mix the cap. So if you have a preference, you know, you can definitely take the clips out. I think I may take it out later, but for now, we're just gonna keep them in. And always with the adjustable band that it comes with, I always put it on the first one, because even though I'm not really hooking it, sometimes when it's loose and with me not having a cap, it can cling onto my hair and just cause it hard to put on. So let's go ahead and put it on. Now, one thing one thing that I will say about this hair is I wish I would have got it longer, but yeah. So let's go ahead and start this process. We're gonna start it in the middle, like I said. put it on my edges like grease. I lay my edges and I just keep working my way up and just take it straight back, you know? Look at that plate. Okay. I've left my clips over there. I'm not also getting up. Am I lazy? Maybe. I'm already seeing like from the reflection. I wish I would have put some foundation on this unit, because just how the length, the lace is so like, it's got that gray tint, but you know it's not an HD, so I mean we ain't gonna sit here and act like we're moving it like that, but. Spray some got to be on them urges. I always do like a little spray here somewhere. Think if I want a wet look. I think I may want to. I don't want no fro look. I'm kind of looking frozy. All I want to do is party all night. Start from the bottom and work your way up. That's one thing I do like about Ozzy's products, because they smell so good. Like, they smell so good. Like, smell means something to me, because first of all, especially in your hair, that's gonna be something that's gonna be sitting in there, and you don't want it to be stinking, because people gonna start talking about you. and I'm gonna be back. Alright guys, this is how we looking. Okay, I'm feeling kind of girly curly. Yeah, but I love the hair. I think for the most part I would go longer. This is 8 inches. So I'm looking, probably would have done, I would want it longer, maybe like 16 inches maybe. But for the most part I like this hair. It does go back to its natural state after being bleached, plucked, washed. So definitely guys, this is one of the best affordable hair I would advise as far as curly hair. So for this hair at 8 inches from Jessica Hair off Amazon, I paid $61 for it. And actually I think when I got it on sale, maybe been $58. I think it was $58. So you can't beat that for 100% human hair, 150 density, 13 by 6 frontal. I mean, one thing I think I would do, I would pluck this part more, but I get a little happy-handed and I end up having like some bald spots. So I feel like I probably will do that another time off camera. But guys, I'm going to come in here and give you guys a quick feedback review after I styled the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair review from Jessica Hair. If you did and made it this far, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the upload, guys. As always, stay true, stay you, and